Right now, we have a very beautiful setup on gold right here where we're risking 16 pips to potentially make about 280 pips right here. It's a 1 to 15 risk reward ratio. Let me break down for you guys, all right? So you can see that right now we have a drop based rally with multiple break of structures to the upside, which is always important. Other than that, we see the market giving us some relative equal high, equal lows right here. So this is liquidity. Right now, we're just going to wait for the market to come and take out this liquidity, come into our POI, then we'll be able to execute. For my order block, I got the high and the low of this last candle right there, took it to the right side, and right now we're just simply waiting to see how the market is going to react as it comes into that level right there. Let me show you what was happening on the higher time frame. You guys always hear me talk about multiple time frame analysis. It's very important that you actually know what's happening on the higher time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the market is clearly going to the upside. Therefore, it's wise for you to look for buying opportunities, right? So, and what is the market telling you on the 1 hour time frame? We are still bullish, and we have a very nice story being told right here. So from there, you can easily see that the market actually broke this high by big momentum candles. All right, whenever we have that, we get excited because we know that the market cannot take all their orders right there. So some of the orders are going to be left right here when the market was accumulating. So right now, what we're anticipating is just for the market to pull back into this area to our order block, and then where most of the unfulfilled orders have been left behind, so that the market can trigger that when the market retraces. So if the market doesn't retrace, we don't take a trade because it hasn't come to our order block, right? So it's, you always have to have context. Don't just do things because of without any reason. You always have to make sure that you have your foundation and you respect that every time. All right. So this is looking really amazing because we can see that these big momentum candles here, they are made of inefficiency candles. You can see that there's a lot of an imbalance which has been left behind. So there's a very high chance that the market is going to pull back into this area and actually take out that inefficiency, take out those big momentum candles which are left behind, take out the liquidity right here before we can see the market going to the upside. So if that doesn't happen, we're going to sit still and actually wait for the market to actually give us an opportunity. Otherwise, this looks amazing. We're going to wait and see how the market reacts. You can see that my alert is already in place. Once the market comes to my area, I'll be able to make a decision whether to buy or not, right? And that's one of the best things that you get when you're part of our community. We're able to tell you when to actually enter a particular market. When we do the forecasting, all these forecasts have already been shared. All right. So if you'd like to be part of our community, check the first link in the description. It gives you access to our M&F Mastery course. Comes with lifetime mentorship, free trading journal, free trading plan, and lifetime access to me when you can able to ask me questions at any particular time. And if you'd like to actually interact with me via Telegram, check the other link in the description. You'll be able to actually get access to me. All right, you guys. I hope you found value in this video. The market is going to be opening in the next few hours. I wish you all the very best.